I think I didn't know anything about SMA. I think it's when I joined boot camp, and I'd wanted to join boot camp for a while. And I think I was just waiting for the Aussie deal where, it was in Aussie dollars. And then we got everything else. We got the advanced manifesting course, and we got SMA. And that was the first time I'd really looked at it. And I kind of knew straight away, having a look at them, I was like, I know that I'm a romantic, but it was kind of, I suppose, just, it really, really helped me. I think it just, it helped put everything into place. And I'm normally one where I'll take a bit of something from here and a bit of something from there, but it just sort of encapsulated everything about me. And that's where I felt like that's actually given me permission to be myself. Because I think my whole career, I have just tried to fit into other people's boxes. Like, I wanted to do interior design at university. And everyone said, no, you have to do a business degree. You have to go and do something where you're going to make a lot of money. So I did IT, and then I actually changed to psychology. But, I felt like I'd wasted so many years because I hadn't actually done what I wanted to do and what suited me. And then, when I was looking at that, I was like, I can do what I want to do. I can do what suits me in a way that it suits me. And it was that permission thing. I think I always need someone or something to give me permission to be myself and do what I want to do. And that was literally me summed up in one profile. I was like, perfect, that's brilliant.
So I'd love to invite you to be one of our next inspiring case studies as well. So check out SMA. I hope you come and join us, and it's your time and you're ready for the next step.